How to ask? From where to begin? He must have been in a deep monologue. Nanin must have been smiling and watching. This man is too full. So much so that nothing can penetrate into him. The answer cannot be given because there is no one to receive it. The guest cannot enter into the house. There is no room. Nanin must have wanted to become a guest in this professor. Out of compassion, a Buddha always wants to become a guest within you. He knocks from everywhere, but there is no door. And even if he breaks a door, which is very difficult, there is no room. You are so full with yourself and with rubbish and all types of furniture you have gathered in many, many lives. Even you cannot enter into yourself because there is no room, no space. You live just outside of your own being, just on the steps. You cannot enter within yourself. Everything is blocked. And then Nanin poured tea into the cup, and the professor began to be uneasy because he was continuously pouring the tea. It was overflowing. Soon it will be going out on the floor. Then the professor said, "Stop, what are you doing?" Now this cup cannot hold any more tea, not even a single drop. So are you mad? What are you doing? And Nanin said, the same is the case with you. You are so alert to observe and become aware that the cup is full and cannot hold any more. Why are not you so aware about your own self? You are overflowing with opinions, philosophies, doctrines, scriptures. You know